Ever thought about how to kickstart your day? Ever wondered how to truly cleanse your body, particularly your kidneys, and not just wake up? Picture starting each day with a refreshing boost that not only wakes you up, but also supports a natural detox for your kidneys. It's not just about combating sleepiness, it's about invigorating your kidneys and preparing you for a day of vitality and well-being. Continue reading to discover a morning routine that has the potential to significantly improve your mornings and overall well-being. Have you considered starting your day with a refreshing beverage that not only energizes you but also promotes kidney health? Today, we'll delve into a morning routine that achieves exactly that. Additionally, I have an exclusive tip to share with you at the conclusion that you definitely don't want to overlook. This tip is not your average piece of advice. It is the secret weapon that will elevate your detox routine to new levels. Stay with me until the end to uncover this one-of-a-kind nugget of wisdom that has the potential to transform your health journey. Let's explore the concept of natural detoxification and discover how making small changes to your morning routine can greatly improve your overall well-being. First, let's take a moment to grasp the significance of paying attention to our kidneys. Our bodies rely on these kidney-shaped helpers to cleanse and detoxify, as well as regulate fluid levels for optimal functioning. Even heroes require support to continue their heroic endeavors, and this is where the significance of our diet, particularly our breakfast choices, becomes apparent. Picture beginning your day with a delightful assortment of fruits that have exceptional detoxifying properties, specifically benefiting the kidneys. It's not just about having breakfast, it's about selecting a meal that actively supports, cleanses, and rejuvenates your kidneys from the moment you wake up. Today, we're highlighting the unsung heroes of the breakfast table, fruits that offer tremendous benefits for kidney health. Ready to add some excitement to your mornings and give your kidneys the care they deserve? Let's get started. In today's fast-paced world, our bodies are regularly exposed to toxins from the air we breathe, the food we consume, and the stress we experience. The health of our kidneys is now more important than ever. Our body's filtration system consists of these essential organs, tirelessly eliminating waste, excess fluids, and harmful substances from our bloodstream. However, like any intricate piece of machinery, they need to be properly maintained in order to function efficiently. Here's where our diet really matters. Our diet plays a crucial role in either aiding our kidneys' detoxification process or adding to their workload. Let's dive into the world of breakfast fruits, but not just any ordinary fruits. Discover the incredible detoxifying abilities of these products that will leave your kidneys feeling refreshed and rejuvenated from the start of your day. Picture beginning your day with a delicious meal that not only brings you joy, but also sets the stage for a refreshed and improved version of yourself. And what's even better? I have an exciting surprise that will enhance your detox routine and take it to new heights. I can't wait to reveal it to you at the end of our journey together. Let's start with a summer classic that is both refreshing and good for you: the watermelon. This colorful fruit is not only great for picnics, but it also provides a refreshing boost of hydration and essential nutrients, making it a fantastic addition to your morning detox routine. Watermelon's high water content makes it an excellent natural way to flush out toxins from your kidneys, promoting effective cleansing. Each bite provides a refreshing sensation, helping to filter and purify your blood. However, watermelon offers more than just a way to quench your thirst. This fruit is packed with antioxidants, including lycopene. Lycopene not only gives watermelon its vibrant red color, but also helps maintain kidney health. Watermelon is a great addition to your morning routine as it helps safeguard your kidneys and promotes overall health by reducing the risk of certain diseases. These powerful antioxidants act as a shield for your body, safeguarding it from harmful free radicals and promoting optimal kidney health. Incorporating watermelon into your morning meal not only adds a delightful flavor, but also supports the health of your kidneys, ensuring they are ready to tackle the day's detoxification responsibilities. When you enjoy a slice of this delicious fruit, it's important to remember that you're not only satisfying your sweet tooth, but also providing a valuable boost to your kidneys. If you're searching for a convenient way to incorporate this kidney-friendly fruit into your morning routine, I have an excellent suggestion for you: a refreshing watermelon morning smoothie. This smoothie is more than just your average drink. It's packed with ingredients that are great for cleansing your kidneys and will give you a refreshing boost to start your day. Blend together fresh watermelon chunks, ice, lime for a tangy kick, and mint leaves for a refreshing twist. With this quick and easy recipe, you can whip up a delicious smoothie that not only quenches your thirst, but also supports your kidneys in their important role of detoxifying your body. This watermelon smoothie is more than just a beverage. It's a vibrant and invigorating addition to your morning routine. Making it is a breeze, and sipping it is a pleasure, turning kidney care into a pleasant routine instead of a monotonous chore. When planning your breakfast, it's important to consider a choice that is both easy to make and has a positive impact on your kidney health. Now let's discuss the second remarkable fruit in our journey towards kidney detoxification: the powerful cranberry. Even though the cranberry is small, it packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. It is well known for its ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, and promote healthy kidney function. Discover the incredible benefits of these tart berries, which go beyond being a festive garnish. They provide year-round support for your kidneys. Cranberries contain special compounds called proanthocyanidins. These products possess an impressive capability to hinder the adherence of bacteria to the urinary tract walls. This mechanism is crucial for minimizing the risk of UTIs, a common problem that can significantly strain the kidneys. Incorporating cranberries into your diet has multiple benefits beyond just their delicious taste. They play a vital role in supporting the health and efficiency of your urinary system and kidneys. Adding cranberries to your diet can provide a natural defense against infections, supporting your kidneys and reducing the strain of battling bacteria. In addition to their ability to fight infections, cranberries also have antioxidant properties that can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, including the kidneys. This not only helps improve kidney function, but also protects these vital organs from potential damage over time. Incorporating cranberries into your morning meal not only provides numerous health benefits, but also adds a delicious twist to support your kidney health and protect against urinary tract infections, UTIs. Cranberries can be a delightful addition to your morning meal, combining flavor with functionality, whether you prefer them fresh, dried, or in juice form. When you incorporate cranberries into your diet, you're making a smart and tasty choice that can help keep your kidneys healthy and protect against common illnesses. Cranberries are a fantastic addition to your morning routine, providing a range of benefits for your kidneys. If you're looking for easy and tasty ways to add cranberries to your breakfast, try mixing them into your oatmeal or yogurt. With just a few simple steps, you can transform your breakfast into a wholesome and nourishing meal that is not only delicious, but also promotes good kidney health. Picture starting your morning with a comforting bowl of oatmeal studded with tangy dried cranberries. This combination provides a delightful blend of flavors and textures, offering a potent dose of antioxidants and benefits for kidney health. Not only do cranberries add flavor, but they also provide UTI-preventing properties to your breakfast table, promoting kidney health from the beginning of your day. Another option is to mix in fresh or dried cranberries with your yogurt to add a tangy flavor. Combining yogurt and cranberries provides a multitude of health benefits, supporting both kidney function and promoting a healthy gut. This combination creates a delicious, smooth breakfast choice that is satisfying and beneficial for supporting your body's detoxification process. Adding cranberries to your oatmeal or yogurt can easily enhance your breakfast. This addition is not only delicious, but also has significant benefits for your kidney health. When you're getting ready for breakfast, keep in mind that incorporating a few cranberries can contribute to a more nutritious beginning to your day. Now, let's talk about the third important fruit in our kidney detox trilogy, the humble lemon. This citrus wonder is a staple in detox recipes around the world, and it's clear to see why. Lemons have a multitude of uses beyond simply adding flavor to your water or enhancing the presentation of your dish. They play a crucial role in supporting the body's detoxification process, especially when it comes to the kidneys. Lemons are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which can assist in eliminating toxins from the body and improving the natural filtering processes of the kidneys. Moreover, lemons offer more than just detoxifying effects. These bright fruits play a vital role in keeping the body's pH balance in check. When you consume them, they have a natural ability to alkalize the body. This is great for your overall health and especially for the proper functioning of your kidneys. Creating a well-balanced environment is crucial to support detoxification and prevent the formation of kidney stones and other potential problems. Starting your day with a splash of lemon in your water not only refreshes you, but also helps support your kidneys and promotes a healthier body pH. Although lemons may have a sour taste, they actually have an interesting effect on the body's pH balance once they are metabolized. This makes them important for restoring and maintaining the body's overall balance. Having a balanced equilibrium is crucial for ensuring the best possible kidney function and maintaining overall health.